I'm presently located in Patna. I stay here, and I have done two courses from Unitas Academy. One is basic foundation course, Vedic diet course, and the second is detoxification course. So both the courses are very nice. It has helped me a lot. I had many doubts in my life regarding health issues and how to resolve these issues. So after doing these courses, I came to know about many things and the mistakes which I was doing in my lifestyle. And now I'm able to understand those things. I'm able to help my family as well as my friends. So and I have chose this academy because I'm a very huge fan of Dr. Shikha. I'm following her since many years. When we were in school, she used to come on TV. So I'm following her since then, when I was a child. So when I saw on the Facebook that she's providing these courses, I was very thrilled, and I just determined myself that I have to do this course. And thus I did the course. And it has benefited me a lot. इसमें सबसे पहले तो यही सीखिए कि कोई भी इंसान को देखते तो पता चलता है कि he is what person or कफ or पित्ता. It's distinguishedly I can recognize a person and I can know that what is the imbalance in this person. So after studying this, I came to know this, and then how to resolve the imbalances which we have in our body. So I can plan a diet for that person, and after doing the detoxification course, I can add this also in his or her diet, so that the toxins which are in the body, which are accumulated in the body, it can be come out, and many diseases are due to this toxin which are accumulated in the body. So after studying the course, I can now plan the diet and include the detoxification things as well in that diet. Ma'am, my mother was very happy when she came to know that I am doing this course. Okay. And secondly, my husband also supported me because he has seen me struggling for my health issues since very long, and I was not getting any solution for it. As every patient goes to the doctor, he just recommends the medicine and that's it. But I wanted some more. I just wanted to get rid of these medicines. So that is the only solution to cure your diseases through nutrition, through your diet. And this thing which I learned in this course has helped me a lot, and my family members as well. I'm a housewife, so presently I'm just helping my family members and my friends. But yeah, of course, in future, I'll definitely want to be a proper nutritionist, and so that I can serve the people as well. Sometimes it was a network issue, but not very frequently, sometimes. But yeah, definitely all the team members, especially you, ma'am, you have taught me so well. You have all understood the concept very nicely. And most important, you had a lot of patience with us, because our class generally took to it should be of 1 hour, but it goes to 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes, because you have always listened to our questions and gave those answers very patiently. I'll just like to mention one more thing कि मैम आप पर्सनली सभी स्टूडेंट्स के हेल्थ इश्यूज को आपने ये कॉल करके सभी से बात किया, आपने गाइडेंस दिया. इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. मतलब यू आर वेरी नाइस पर्सन, बिकॉज एक आपको क्या, आप बस पढ़ाना है, दैट्स इट, हो गया, कोर्स इज ओवर, नाउ योर जॉब इज ओवर. बट ऐसा नहीं था. आप पर्सनली सबको कॉल की, सबके हेल्थ इश्यूज से पूछी, सबको गाइड की, मेडिसिन, आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन बताई, लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर जो थे वो आप रिजॉल्व की. So ma'am, for this also I really appreciate you. First of all, a housewife or in fact a lady of the house must do the basic course, at least the basic course. I'm saying this because the health totally belongs to her hand. If she is providing healthy food, nutritious food to the family will be healthy. So all the responsibility goes to the lady of the house. So I really request all the females, whether she is working, she is housewife, she must do the course. And ma'am, many women lack the basic knowledge of nutrition, because these days, children want just junk foods and all. So that can be replaced, that can be modified in a more like children like pizza. Then the base can be made of jowar atta, ragi atta, so that it can be healthier options. I can give my own example. I was having a lot of gut issues, bloating, acidity, and all these things. After doing the course, during the course only, I started my healthy diet. I started taking fruits and all, nuts, seeds, salads, and healthy food, which was taught to me, and it really helped me. Now my gut issues have resolved a lot. My suggestion is that they shouldn't give a second thought. They just immediately join the course and avail their knowledge and implement it in their life and make their life as well as their family, friends, and the society's life better.